Government urges calm regarding the 500 Malawian nationals temporarily caught in Newlands. Government is aware of a group of approximately 500 Malawian nationals currently being accommodated in Newlands, Sophiatown, following their relocation from Cape Town. The movement of these individuals forms part of a coordinated process facilitated by the Malawian Embassy with the intention of supporting their voluntary return to Malawi. Government wishes to emphasize that the buses and individuals involved in this matter originated from Cape Town and were transported to Gauteng as part of these arrangements. Upon arrival, temporary accommodation was secured at a church facility in Newlands, Sophiatown, where the individuals are being provided with care and support while the necessary administrative processes are being finalized. We expect the buses to leave very soon. Law enforcement agencies, including the South African Police Service, have been deployed to the area to maintain law and order. Government departments, including the Department of Home Affairs, are working closely with the Malawian Consulate General to ensure proper documentation, compliance with immigration laws, and the facilitation of voluntary repatriation.